Hello everybody, my name is Edgar and I'm with the Bain Group. And today I'm going to show you how you could set up your Outlook inbox efficiently using Quick Steps. In this video we'll be covering creating folders for organization, and then creating Quick Steps, and then I'll be showing you how to use Quick Steps with hotkeys. Once you have Quick Steps set up in your Outlook, you'll notice how much easier it is to organize your inbox and keep a clean, clutter-free space for you to get your work done. Well now, let us get into how we can set up Quick Steps for our own Outlook. Now that we have created our folder, now let's create our quick step. So to create our quick steps, we'll click home on the ribbon and then we'll click on quick steps here. And that'll bring us to this pane. Once we're on quick steps, we'll click on new quick step. And on here, we're going to name our quick step. So before we name our quick step, later on in the video, we'll be setting up a shortcut for our quick step. As you can see here under the optional tab, we see choose shortcut. And it gives us different options. So we see like control plus shift 5, 6, 7, 8. So since they're they have numbers, I like naming my quick steps with a number. So I know which shortcut correlates with it. So I would like to use shortcut 5. So I'll start it off with 5 dash and then the name of my project. So I could call this Project Alpha. And then once we have our name down, we'll choose the action. And the action for this quick step is to move our email into the Project Alpha folder. So we'll click on choose an action and the drop down will show up. And then we'll click move to under filing. Once we select the action, I'll prompt us to select the folder. So we'll select the folder we just created. And then we'll click on Project Alpha. Now that's there. Now we'll choose a shortcut. So I want to Control Shift 5, so I'll click that here. And then we'll click Save. Now we'll create another quick step for our archive. So let's see here. I want to use 6 since 5 is taken. So I'll do 6-archive. Then we'll go through the same process. We'll click choose an action under filing. We'll click move to, and then select our archive folder. So we'll click move to a different folder and then inbox/archive. That's the one we made. And then select our shortcut. And it's that simple. I'm going to click save. And now we have quick steps. Now let's test out our quick steps and see if they work. Let's choose an email real quick. See if we have joined HR group. We'll just do this one. So if we remember our quick step for Project Alpha, it's Control Shift 5. So we'll do Control Shift 5. And as we see here, the email moves. So let's see where they went. We see a new number 1 next to Project Alpha. And as you can see here, our email is now under Project Alpha. So now let's try that out for our archive. Let's just do this one. We'll do Control Shift 6. You can see that moved, and we see a new email has appeared under archive, and then we'll open this here too. And now we have the email. One problem that could arise, you may forget your shortcut. So one thing you could also do is rename your folder and add the 6 in front, or the 5 for this case. So rename this one. Then we'll put 6 for the shortcut. And now you know that the shortcut is Control Shift 6 for archive and Control Shift 5 for Project Alpha. Well, thank you again for joining me in this tips and tricks video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.